Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain why does your volume keep going down by itself on your iPhone. If your volume is going down by itself, then there are a few things. First of all, you may have stuck or faulty volume buttons. So there may be some dirt or dust or hardware damage that can cause the buttons to trigger by themselves. You may want to try cleaning the buttons with a brush. You can use like an old toothbrush, whatever. Just make sure that you don't use that toothbrush later. And that it's properly cleaned, it doesn't have any toothpaste on it. But you can clean those buttons. It doesn't always help, but it's worth trying that. It may help. Also, there may be a case pressing the buttons. If you wear a protective case, try removing it and see if the problem still occurs. If it does, then it's something else. But if it stops occurring once you remove the case, then most probably there's the case that is just misaligned or too tight. Then headphones or earbuds issue. If you have wired or Bluetooth headphones with volume controls, they can randomly send signals. Try disconnecting from those headphones by simply disabling Bluetooth by sliding from the right top part of the screen and then clicking here, and I'm gonna disable Bluetooth and now see if it helps. Maybe it does, and if it does, then it may be your Bluetooth headphones issue or a Bluetooth speaker, or if you are connected to a car, maybe your car sends random signals, who knows. Or also on Spotify, if you are connected to a computer on your Spotify, like there's an option to do SharePlay, so you can play sound on a different device but control it from your own Spotify. Then you may need to just close the Spotify because it may be just unnecessarily messing up with the stuff. So you may want to just slide up and hold, and then find Spotify somewhere here and slide it up to close it. See if the problem still occurs, or try playing Spotify just directly on your computer without using your phone to do SharePlay. There's also a chance that you have some attention-aware features enabled, and that actually has a specific way of working with the volume down. So if you are just like your phone is ringing because there's an alarm or a ringtone, and you start looking at the phone, it'll notice that you're looking at it, and then it'll bring the volume down because you already see the phone, and it doesn't have to ring that loud, right? But sometimes you maybe not like this feature, or it doesn't function properly. Then you can go to settings and then go to Face ID and passcode, then find attention aware features and just disable it, and that should help you. Now the next thing is you may have in settings, you can go to apps, then go to music. You may have an equalizer set to something, set it to off here, then disable sound check and see if it helps. If it doesn't, you may want to restart your phone by pressing and holding on power on either of the volume buttons, and then slide to power off, wait for 30 seconds, and then press and hold on your power button to turn the phone on. Now, if it doesn't help, you may want to update your iOS. So go to settings, then go to general and go to software update. Then if there's any update available, try installing it, so it should work now. And I think that if none of these things helped, then there may be a hardware issue and you just need to contact like Apple service or any other authorized service, and they will either replace the buttons, replace the connection between the buttons and the logic board, or diagnose your phone with some harder to fix issue and tell you that. So I hope that the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.